Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's dive right into the US dollar index, or DXY, which is seeing a bit of a pullback today after a solid two-day run. As of the European session, it's hovering right around that 99.20 mark. Now, what does this mean for the bigger picture? When we look at the daily chart, a clear pattern emerges. The dollar index is still trending upwards within a well-defined ascending channel. This technical formation is pretty significant because it suggests that the underlying bullish sentiment is still very much in play. Despite the minor dip we're seeing today, the overall structure points towards continued strength for the dollar. So, while short-term traders might be taking some profits off the table, the long-term trend remains upward. It's a classic case of a small dip within a larger uptrend. We'll be watching closely to see if it holds this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.